10 basic principles that make life easier. Life can seem complicated, but this complexity is often an illusion of our own making. In fact, the secret to an easier life lies not in putting in more effort, but in directing it in the right direction. Here are 10 key principles that will transform your life. 1. Effortless intentionality. Ease comes from aligning your priorities. Most people think that ease is effortlessness, whereas true ease is about what you put your energy into. Those who find life difficult are the ones who misdirect their energy. Ask yourself, what should I focus on? Not, how can I do less? 2. Micro simplicity. Our brain freezes in the face of complex tasks. This is not laziness, but a biological fact. Break a big task into small, manageable chunks. For example, instead of clean the kitchen, take micro steps like put the dishes in the dishwasher. Each small task completed releases dopamine, boosting your motivation. Third decision, energy budgeting. Your decision-making capacity is limited. Every choice you make during the day, what to wear, what to eat, drains this energy. Automate decisions that are not important. Create meal plans, clothing routines. This way, you can save your mental energy for the really important choices. Fourth, present tense consciousness. 90% of our worries come from scenarios that have not yet happened. Your power only exists in this moment. Constantly remind yourself, what is the real problem in front of me right now? Instead of fighting fears of the future, focus on the present steps. 5. Anti-perfectionism. Perfectionism is the biggest obstacle to taking action. Embrace the concept of good enough. An email doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be clear. Save perfection only for the really important work. 6. Expectation detox. Disappointment arises from the gap between our expectations and reality. Recognize your expectations and replace them with curiosity. How will this meeting go? This mindset increases your resilience and happiness. 7. Philosophy of non-resistance. Resisting the flow of life drains your energy. Instead, ask, this is happening now. What's my next step? Instead of struggling to stay afloat in quicksand, learn to stay calm and stay on the surface. 8. Opportunity. Filtering. Every yes is a no to something else. Apply the great yes criterion. If you don't feel genuine enthusiasm for an opportunity, your answer should be no. This frees up your time and energy for what matters most. 9. Cognitive outsourcing. Your mind is for generating ideas, not storing them. Reduce your mental load by using to-do lists, calendars, and note apps. Less stress means more creativity. 10. Fear vaccine. A great life is directly proportional to your capacity to tolerate discomfort. Do something small but challenging every day. A difficult phone call, a new activity. Over time, your comfort zone will expand. Final word. These principles are not magic bullets, but when applied consistently, they can radically change your life. Simplicity is not running away from chaos, but focusing on the right actions.